Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Python. Today we are going to learn how to connect to the MySQL using the mysql-connector Python. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So this is the code for the connecting to the MySQL. Let's use this. Okay, let's go to our code base. Let's add it. Make sure you have to install this MySQL connector. So you will install this via pip install mysql connector python, which I have already installed this, so it's not showing me the error, right? So make sure you have to install. You have to use the credentials for the mysql, that is the host, whatever host you have. It should be IP, and if you're working on the local host, then it should be local host, and its server also should be a local host. If you want to connect to the third party, then you must give the IP over here. The username of your mysql, currently it's my root, and the password I need to add, and which database you want to connect, you can mention it over here. I think testdb is there in mysql, so let's check it's connected or not. Let's go and just check this. Python 3 files.py and connect it to the mysql. Okay, so that will help you to connect to the mysql now, and it will connect to the database. If I go with the another database or something like this is not exist, so what will happen? Let's see. Error, unknown database. Okay, so that means testdb exists and the credentials are correct. So this is how you are able to connect to the mysql. Very easy, very simple. What we have to do, this is your connection string, and if the connection dot is connected, then print that one, the connection connected to the mysql, and return the connection. Else you will have to print the error, what exactly the error is, then close that connection. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.